Question 17. An organic compound containing carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and sulfur gave the following data on analysis. A. The combustion of 0.1668 gram of the compound resulted in the formation of 0.4540 gram and 0.0663 gram of carbon dioxide and H2O respectively. B. 0.1254 gram of the compound on heating with HNO3 and barium chloride yielded 0.1292 gram of barium sulfate. Calculate the empirical formula of the organic compound. Now weight of the compound is 0.1668 gram. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का वेट दिया है 0.4540 ग्राम and weight of H2O is given as 0.0663 gram. Now 1 mole of carbon dioxide contains 1 mole of carbon. Therefore moles of carbon dioxide will be equal to moles of carbon, or we can also say moles of carbon will be equal to moles of carbon dioxide. अब moles of carbon dioxide कैसे निकालेंगे? Weight of carbon dioxide given है, so weight of carbon dioxide divided by molecular weight of carbon dioxide will give number of moles of carbon dioxide. So 0.4540 divided by 44 will give moles of carbon dioxide, which is equal to moles of carbon. So moles of carbon is equal to moles of carbon dioxide, which is equal to 0.4540 divided by 44, and this is equal to 0.0103 moles. And weight of carbon will be equal to moles of carbon multiplied by atomic weight of carbon, that is 12, and this is equal to 0.1236 gram. Similarly, 1 mole of H2O contains 2 moles of hydrogen. So, moles of hydrogen will be equal to 2 into moles of H2O, and this is equal to moles of H2O कितना होगा? Weight of H2O, that is 0.0663 gram divided by molecular weight of H2O, that is 18. So moles of H2O हो गया 0.0663 gram divided by 18, and this is equal to 0.0074 moles, and weight of hydrogen will be equal to moles of hydrogen into atomic weight of hydrogen, that is 1. तो weight of hydrogen भी हो जाएगा 0.0074 gram. Now 1 mole of barium sulfate contains 1 mole of sulfur. So moles of sulfur is equal to moles of barium sulfate. और moles of barium sulfate कितना होगा? Moles of barium sulfate होगा weight of barium sulfate, which is given as 0.1292 gram divided by molecular weight of barium sulfate, that is 233.3. Now this is the moles of barium sulfate in 0.1254 gram of the compound. So moles of barium sulfate in 0.1254 gram of the compound will be equal to 0.1292 divided by 233.3, which is equal to 0.0005 moles. So in 0.1254 gram of the compound, moles of sulfur is 0.0005 moles. Therefore, in 0.1668 gram of the compound, the moles of sulfur will be equal to 0.0005 divided by 0.1254 into 0.1668, and this is equal to 0.0007 moles. And weight of sulfur will be equal to 0.0007 into atomic weight of sulfur, that is 32, and this is equal to 0.0224 gram. Now weight of oxygen will be equal to weight of the compound, that is 0.1668 minus the sum of the weights of carbon, hydrogen and sulfur, which is equal to 0.1534 grams. and this is equal to 0.0134 gram. Now moles of oxygen will be equal to weight of oxygen divided by atomic weight of oxygen, that is 16. So 0.0134 gram divided by 16 is equal to 0.0008 moles. Now the ratio of moles of carbon is to moles of hydrogen is to moles of sulfur is to moles of oxygen will be equal to 0.0103 is to 0.0074 is to 0.0007 is to 0.0008. Now the least number of moles is of the moles of sulfur, that is 0.0007. Dividing all these number of moles by 0.0007, we get the simplest ratio, that is 14 is to 10 is to 1 is to 1, and therefore the empirical formula of the compound will be C14H10SO.